3 years after Alex Murdaugh was convicted of murdering his wife Maggie Murdaugh and son Paul Murdaugh, the South Carolina Supreme Court has overturned the conviction and ordered a new trial. The ruling, issued May 13, came after Murdaugh's defense team appealed the case, arguing that Colleton County Clerk of Court Rebecca Becky Hill improperly influenced jurors during the highly publicized March 2023 murder trial. According to the court's decision, Hill's actions were described as shocking, with justices stating that she placed her fingers on the scales of justice and unfairly damaged Murdaugh's credibility before the jury. Hill has denied all allegations that she attempted to influence jurors. Murdaugh's attorneys, Dick Harpootlian and Jim Griffin, praised the court's ruling, saying it reaffirmed the strength of the legal system in South Carolina. They argued that the first trial was unfair because jurors were exposed to more than 12 hours of testimony regarding Murdaugh's financial crimes, evidence they claim created serious prejudice against him. According to the defense, the Supreme Court agreed that much of that evidence exceeded what was necessary for the murder case and should not be allowed in a retrial. The lawyers reiterated that Murdaugh has consistently maintained his innocence, insisting from the beginning that he did not kill his wife or son. Questions surrounding Becky Hill's conduct intensified after she appeared in Netflix's documentary Murdaugh Murders, a Southern Scandal in 2023 and openly stated, "I do think Alex pulled the trigger." At the time, attorney Jim Griffin criticized her comments, saying he was flabbergasted and arguing that court officials should never publicly express opinions about a defendant's guilt while a case is still under appeal. Hill previously declined to comment on Griffin's criticism, and her attorneys have not responded to recent requests for comment following the Supreme Court's decision. The case has remained one of the most closely watched true crime stories in the United States since June 2021, when Maggie and Paul Murdaugh were found shot to death at the family's Moselle hunting property in South Carolina. Alex Murdaugh, once a prominent lawyer from a powerful legal family, was sentenced in 2023 to 2 consecutive life sentences after prosecutors convinced jurors that he murdered his wife and son. Throughout the trial, Murdaugh repeatedly denied involvement, testifying under oath that he did not shoot my wife or my son any time. Prosecutors, however, successfully challenged Murdaugh's alibi and proved that he lied about where he was on the night of the killings. He eventually admitted on the stand that he had lied to investigators, blaming years of opioid addiction and paranoia for his dishonesty. Separate from the murder charges, Murdaugh later pleaded guilty to more than 100 financial crimes, including money laundering, tax evasion, and breach of trust involving numerous victims. The shocking murders, the courtroom drama, and the collapse of the once powerful Murdaugh family have since been explored in multiple documentaries and television series, including Hulu's Murdaugh, Death in the Family.